at the Manila store. This is Indian bay leaves. And this is squid balls. Crackers. This is fish balls. What else good stuff is there? This is all delicious, guys. A lot of Asian stuff here. Not a lot of Asian stuff. Let's go to the meat section. This is delicious. I don't know what this all is, but I don't know what it is. Okay, bye guys.